This is the 6-inch nickel brushed SparkPod waterfall shower head, and I am going to install it now. This is the packaging that it comes in. It comes in a really nice box and well packaged. There's the shower head, and there is also the paperwork that goes with it, along with a few other things in order to install. It gives you instructions based on the water pressure that you're seeking. For us specifically, we are looking for greater water pressure, and that's why we bought this shower head. So that is going to be the piece that we're going to use, and I'll explain that in a minute. So when you flip over the shower head, there is going to be a twist cap to remove. So you remove that. It comes with the 1.8 gallon a minute water restrictor to start, but we are going to switch it out for the 2.5 gallon a minute water restrictor that they provide for you. You can use tweezers or anything to get this piece out. So my husband is taking that one that it came with out, and then he is going to push the 2.5 one in. Just make sure that when you put it in, that you push it firmly and that it's well fitted in that spot. The shower head itself looks like really great quality, and there's little rubber nodules where the water will come out. They provide you with this plumber's tape that you'll use to install the shower head. You just wrap a little bit around right where you're going to connect the shower head. After you have the tape on, just push it down firmly to make sure it's good and tight. Now it's time to twist on your shower head, and after that, you will be ready to go. We are super excited to see how the water flow is on this shower head. We are definitely happy with this water flow. There's also another piece that they gave you, which is less restricting, so it could be even stronger water flow if you wanted. It moves super easily at the head, and we are happy with this.